Hello everyone. In this video, we will see in detail about trend lines. It helps you to see the market directions and make a better trading decision. So let's get started. Under this topic, we'll cover what are the trend lines, and second one is how to draw trend lines in AmiBroker, and third one is analyzing the trend lines, and fourth one is using the trend lines in trading, and the last one is AI trend lines. First, we will see what are the trend lines. Before we start drawing the trend lines, let's first understand what they are. Trend lines are the lines drawn on a chart that connects the two important price points. They help you to visualize the direction of the market and also the support and resistance zone. With this, you can understand whether the prices are upward sloping or else downward sloping. These are the three main types of trend lines. One is upward trend line. This connects two or more higher lows. It shows when the market is moving upward. The second one is downtrend line. This connects two or more lower highs. It indicates when the market is moving downtrend. And the last one is a sideways market line, which indicates the market remains static. That is, the stock price neither reaches the highest or lowest price points. Now the second subtopic is how to draw trend lines in AmiBroker. So for that, first let's open a chart in AmiBroker. Choose the stock or a symbol that we want to analyze. Next, we need to select the trend line tool. So for that, you'll find the trend line tool in insert option. In that insert, choose trend line. Once you select it, now let's start drawing an uptrend. For an uptrend, we need to connect two or more higher lows. Let me show you how. Look at the chart of TCS. Here, let's find the pivot to draw the uptrend line. Here are the two pivots where the higher lows have been formed. Click at this low point and then drag the line to the next higher low. Release the mouse button and your uptrend line is drawn. This line should be slant upwards, connecting the lows. This shows the market is in upward direction. Now let's draw a downtrend line. To identify a downtrend, connect the lower highs. Identify two pivot points on the chart where the price has made higher and start to fall. Look at the chart of TCS. Let's mark the two pivots. Click at this high point, then drag the line to next lower high. Release the mouse and you have drawn the downtrend line. This line will be slant downward, indicating that the market is moving down. Now let's find the sideways trend. Look at the chart of TCS. There is no any major high or lows formed in the chart. So let's draw a horizontal line around the candle highs and lows. Find a point where the price has bounced up from or reversed downward multiple times. Click at the price level and drag the line across the chart at the price level. Release the mouse and your horizontal line is drawn. You can see the market is in sideways. This shows where the price has repeatedly pushed back or support. The third subtopic is analyzing the trend line. Now that we have drawn our trend lines, let's see how to analyze them. Uptrend line. As long as the price stays above the uptrend line, the market is considered to be in an uptrend. This line plays as a major support line. If the price breaks below the line, that could signal a reversal or downtrend. You can see the chart again that after a major uptrend, the stock has crossed below the support line and downtrend started. And the fourth subtopic is using trend lines for trading decisions. Trend lines are not just for drawing on your charts. They are a powerful tool for making trading decisions. Which means if the price breaks above the uptrend line, it could be a good signal to buy or go long. At the same time, if the price breaks below the downtrend line, it could signal a sell or short opportunity. And the last one is a AI trend line. Nowadays, with the innovation, AI identifying a drawing trend lines has become easy. There are many auto trend lines creating software available in the market. Here, I am applying our AI trend magic. This is a auto trend identifier which will give you a support and resistance level in real time. Now the tool has been applied. You can see the trend lines as drawn with this type of tools. Also, you can analyze the market and trade efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comment section. Thank you.